Imagine pulling up to a red light in the all-new 2026 Jaguar L-Type, and as you glance around, every head turns. This isn't just another luxury sedan, it's a statement. With futuristic tech, breathtaking performance, and a level of sophistication that makes even supercars jealous, the L-Type is Jaguar's ultimate power move. But what makes it so special? Stick around because we're diving into 7 insane features that will make you want to trade in your current ride right now. You want power? The 2026 Jaguar L-Type delivers 800 horsepower from a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an electric motor, giving you instant torque and a supercar-worthy 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.9 seconds. Imagine this. You're at a highway on-ramp, and you barely touch the pedal. Boom! You're flying past traffic like a stealth fighter jet. With this kind of power, even electric hypercars will have a hard time keeping up. Scratches? Scuffs? Say goodbye. The L-Type's nanotechnology-infused paint literally heals itself using heat and UV light. Picture this. You come out of a grocery store and see a nasty scratch on your door from a careless driver. Normally, your heart would sink, but with the L-Type, just leave it in the sun, and by the time you finish your coffee, scratch, step inside, and you're greeted by a full-width OLED dash, customizable ambient lighting, and zero-gravity seats that literally mold to your body for perfect comfort. Think of it like sitting in a first-class airline suite, but on wheels. Imagine taking a long road trip where instead of feeling stiff and tired, you arrive refreshed, like you just left a spa. Jaguar's Neural Drive AI actually learns how you drive and anticipates your next move before you even make it. Ever been stuck in traffic, subconsciously reaching for the lane change signal, and boom, the L-Type has already activated the blinker for you? It's like having a personal chauffeur that knows you better than your best friend, who needs a boring old speedometer when you can have a full AR heads-up display. Navigation, traffic updates, even hazard warnings appear directly on the windshield, making driving safer and more immersive. Imagine you're in an unfamiliar city at night, no more squinting at tiny GPS screens. Just look ahead, and arrows literally appear on the road, guiding you effortlessly to your destination. Long road trips? No problem. The L-Type solid-state battery gives you a 1,000-mile range, and if you ever need a quick top-up, Jaguar's hypercharge system refuels 80% in just 10 minutes. Picture this. You're on a cross-country drive, low on juice, grab a coffee, stretch for a few minutes, and boom, you're back on the road with nearly a full tank. Tesla who? Ever wished your car's audio system could make you feel the music? The L-Type's Dolby Atmos 4D sound system uses seat vibrations and directional audio to give you a concert-like experience. Imagine playing your favorite song, and you actually feel the bass in your seat while vocals surround you in crisp, 360-degree sound. It's not just listening to music, it's living it. The 2026 Jaguar L-Type isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. With 800 horsepower, self-healing paint, AI-powered everything, and tech that makes other cars feel ancient, it's set to dominate the luxury market. So, what's your favorite feature? Would you drive the L-Type over a Tesla or a Mercedes? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insane car content. Until next time, drive fast but stay safe. Automobile dashing away.